Oranges are one of the most beloved fruits across the globe. Their vibrant color and refreshing taste make them a staple in many households. From the sweet navel orange to the tangy blood orange, there's a variety to suit every palate. Oranges are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, making them a favorite in both sweet and savory dishes. The popularity of oranges can be attributed to their accessibility and affordability. They are available year-round in most regions, making them a convenient choice for consumers. Oranges are often enjoyed as a quick snack, juiced for a refreshing drink, or used to add a citrusy twist to various recipes. Their versatility extends beyond the kitchen. Orange peels are often used in cleaning products and as natural air fresheners. In addition to their culinary uses, oranges are celebrated for their health benefits. They are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. People have been consuming oranges for centuries, not only for their taste, but also for their medicinal properties. This combination of flavor and health benefits has secured oranges a permanent spot in the fruit hierarchy. Oranges are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of essential vitamins and minerals. The most notable nutrient found in oranges is vitamin C. A single orange can provide over 100% of the recommended daily intake of this vital vitamin. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system and plays a role in collagen production, which is important for skin health. Fiber is another key nutrient found in oranges. Consuming fiber-rich foods like oranges can aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy weight. Oranges contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to promote a healthy digestive tract. Soluble fiber helps to lower cholesterol levels, while insoluble fiber aids in preventing constipation. Antioxidants present in oranges, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, contribute to their health benefits. These compounds help protect the body from free radicals, which can cause cellular damage. Antioxidants play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Including oranges in your diet can be a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake. One of the most well-known health benefits of oranges is their ability to support the immune system. The high vitamin C content in oranges is essential for the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. Regular consumption of oranges can help reduce the duration and severity of colds and other illnesses. Oranges also contain other immune-boosting nutrients, such as vitamin A and folate. Vitamin A plays a role in maintaining the health of mucous membranes, which act as barriers to pathogens. Folate is important for the production of new cells and the repair of damaged tissues. Together, these nutrients work to strengthen the body's defenses against illness. Incorporating oranges into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your immune function. Whether you enjoy them as a snack or in a fresh juice, the benefits of oranges are undeniable. Consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables, including oranges, is key to maintaining a healthy immune system. Oranges are not only good for the immune system, but also for heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants found in oranges contribute to cardiovascular wellness. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Consuming oranges can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of hypertension. The fiber in oranges also plays a role in heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, helping to remove it from the body. This can lead to a reduction in overall cholesterol levels, decreasing the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of fiber-rich foods like oranges is associated with a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. Antioxidants in oranges, such as flavonoids, have been shown to improve heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. These compounds help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can lead to atherosclerosis. Including oranges in a balanced diet is a delicious way to support cardiovascular health. In addition to their immune and heart health benefits, oranges offer anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in oranges help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, plays a significant role in reducing inflammation. It helps neutralize free radicals and supports the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes. Regular consumption of vitamin C-rich foods like oranges can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions and improve overall health. Flavonoids in oranges, such as hesperidin, also contribute to their anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in the body. So yeah, incorporating oranges into your diet can be a tasty way to combat inflammation and promote a healthier lifestyle. Adding oranges to your daily diet can be both easy and enjoyable. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice to boost your vitamin C intake. For a refreshing snack, just peel an orange and enjoy its natural sweetness. Oranges can also be added to smoothies for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. Incorporating oranges into meals is a great way to enhance their flavor and nutritional value. You can add orange segments to salads for a citrusy twist, or use orange juice as a marinade for chicken or fish. The zest of an orange can be used to add a fragrant touch to desserts and baked goods. Experimenting with different varieties of oranges can add excitement to your meals. Try blood oranges for a unique flavor or mandarin oranges for a sweeter taste. With so many options, incorporating oranges into your diet can be a delightful experience. Oranges can be used in a variety of recipes, from drinks to desserts. A classic orange juice is a refreshing way to start the day. Simply squeeze fresh oranges and enjoy the burst of flavor. For a twist, add a splash of lemon or lime juice to enhance the citrusy taste. Oranges can also be used in salads to add a pop of color and flavor. Combine orange segments with spinach, almonds, and a light vinaigrette for a delicious and nutritious salad. For a savory dish, try an orange glazed chicken or fish recipe. The sweetness of the orange complements the savory flavors perfectly. For dessert, consider making an orange-infused cake or sorbet. The zest and juice of oranges can add a delightful citrus flavor to baked goods. Whether you prefer sweet or savory dishes, there are countless ways to enjoy the delicious taste of oranges. In conclusion, oranges are a versatile and nutritious fruit that offers numerous health benefits. Their high vitamin C content supports the immune system, while fiber and antioxidants contribute to heart health and anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating oranges into your diet can be a simple and delicious way to enhance your overall well-being. The versatility of oranges makes them an excellent addition to a variety of dishes. From fresh juices to salads and desserts, there are endless ways to enjoy their zestful taste. Whether you prefer them as a snack or in a recipe, oranges are sure to delight your taste buds. Recapping the benefits and culinary uses of oranges highlights their importance in a healthy diet. By embracing the power of oranges, you can enjoy both their flavor and health benefits. Make oranges a regular part of your meals and experience the positive impact they can have on your health. Embracing the power of oranges can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Their nutritional profile and health benefits make them an ideal choice for those looking to improve their diet. By incorporating oranges into your meals, you can enjoy their delicious taste while reaping the rewards of better health. Encourage your friends and family to enjoy the benefits of oranges as well. Share recipes and tips for incorporating them into daily diets. Together, you can explore the many ways to enjoy this vibrant fruit and support each other's health journeys. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in health. Start by adding an orange to your daily routine and gradually explore new ways to enjoy them. With their delightful taste and numerous health benefits, oranges are a fruit worth celebrating.